This case considered the issue of fraud and the exception to indefeasibility, and whether or not a forgery by a bank manager on a loan application amounted to fraud for the purposes of the Real Property Act. In this case, a bank manager forged a person's signature on a statement of financial position when applying for a bank loan to buy a property. This manager was dismissed from his position for other reasons, and the new manager submitted these documents with the loan application. The applicant for the loan was not aware of this forgery. The loan application was approved, but sometime later the owner of the property fell into financial difficulties and was unable to pay the mortgage. The bank took possession of the property. The owner of the property objected to this and argued that the bank was guilty of fraud. However, the bank argued that even if there was fraud, that the owners of the property had approved the loan application. The owner of the property argued that he did not affirm the transaction if he was aware of the fraud and that he would never have entered into the transaction, and therefore he should be entitled to rescind the contract of mortgage. The central issue for the court was whether or not the bank was guilty of fraud and if this affected the validity of the mortgage. The court ultimately held that